Ahead of the November governorship election for Anambra State, Presido Tinubu on Monday don officially give the All Progressive Congress APC party flag to Prince Nicholas Ukachukwu, wey confirm am say na him go run as the party governorship candidate. Ukachukwu wey be big businessman and person wey dey help people win the APC ticket after im gather 1,455 votes for the party primary election. The symbolic flag presentation shele for Presido office inside State House Abuja, where APC National Chairman Dr. Abdullahi Ganduje lead Ukachukwu go meet Presido Tinubu. Dem also follow go with ogbonge APC officials from Anambra State. As Presido Tinubu hand over the party flag, e not just mean say e endorse Ukachukwu, e also show say APC leadership dey give am full support ahead of the tough governorship race wey go shele for the southeastern states. Ukachukwu for im talk with Tori people come here and say,
Anambra cannot continue to be a one-party system. We need to bring Anambra to the center. He has given us charge to go and bring Anambra to the center, and that's what we're going to do. How prepared we were, and also he was in Anambra. He saw how ready and how charged his party people are in Anambra. He was happy about the outcome and the turnout of the people that came out to receive him. He actually thanked us for it and asked us to go and then work more and bring it back to center. We say so strong. We're the one that made the APOGA strong. I was former senatorial candidate of APOGA. I ran joint ticket with the governor in this last election. So I left APOGA with all my supporters and APOGA people to join APC. And then also my deputy also came into APOGA also and then joined us from APOGA to APC. So it makes APC to be bigger. So if I'm from the south, a senatorial candidate from the south, and my deputy is senatorial candidate from the center, and all of us have joined APC, means nothing is left of APOGA in the state. So we're coming with that momentum. And when the president visited, he saw the enormous crowd that came to his party people that were so happy, whether from morning till the time he left, with so much enthusiasm, with so much joy and happiness. When you see your party member, you know, and the president acknowledged that, and I just go and bring Anambra to the center. The Labour, the YPP, other political parties have joined us in the journey, and very soon you'll be here seeing the routine of the campees and other people that are endorsing us from all support groups. We have over 80-something support groups now lining up to do endorsement to come into us. And then other parties, YPP, even APOGA people, even Labour people, and other people joining us. So the coalition also it's not the first time. In Zamfara, in Imo, other places, incumbents have lost election. Even in Anambra too, so it's not new to us in Anambra. Incumbents in Anambra have lost election before because we, the leader, did not support them. Now the leaders are in APC. We're going to take Anambra to APC. Our party, the National Working Committee of our great party, under the leadership of the Ganduje, has set up a powerful reconstruction committee, and they've done a great job. Not only that, even reconciling the APC members back as it is now, apart from one that left, all of us are together. And then also, apart from that, even the one that left, he only left with 2 ward chairmen. The whole other structure, organs of the party were there, and maybe 1 or 2 other people. And then also, apart from that, reconciling other people back to the party. So it's holistic and it's actually alarming. So we are making great progress. And you, the press, will be seeing the result in a few days' time. And you'll be seeing it happening because it's enormous. It's going to be thunder striking.
APC they try make them strong well for Anambra, when now opposition parties they control before, and then believe say Ukachukwu fit help them win more people for that region. Make una not forget say, as we see them, now so we they talk them. We know they take blame. Ekata Ojisali, TMC News.